He's changing the battery. He's changing the battery, right? He ordered it through a Douyin group buying, right? Yes. The system shows it's an 18.5 battery inside. It will directly show 100% here. He's using the zero-cycle battery, right? Yes, when changing, he can sell the old battery later. He can install the new battery and sell the old one. It won't affect him. The sound inside must be quite low, right? His voice changer is clogged. I'll clean it for him later. It's quite clean inside, right? I recycle these as well. This is aged. The waterproof glue, I'll clean it all up for him. After cleaning, he'll put on a brand new waterproof glue. For aged waterproof glue. Actually, his waterproof glue is aged. It's quite badly aged. The hardest part to deal with is the waterproof glue. For the 11 model, it basically doesn't need cycling. This one is wide. It must be cleaned thoroughly. He should really take his time. I think it's hot. Let's put the screen back on. How about 100%? Right. The phone is fixed now. This charger. Let's give him a charger and settle the account. Okay. Okay. Take care. He has spoken before.